Good afternoon. Welcome to Coastal Living down under Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to make a foot scrub from bananas, magnesium flakes and some essential oils of Australian florals and honey. Okay, first of all you're going to need banana. So we'll take one of these bananas off the bunch. Okay, so we peel. Now, depending on how many feet you're going to do, if the rest of your family's lining up for this, you may need to use more than one banana. But today we're just going to use one. Okay. Right, so we'll break this up. Use our fork to mash it. Now, bananas are full of wonderful minerals and vitamins, potassium, and are great for our skin. So we just mash them up. Now you probably could have gone with a more ripe banana, but unfortunately all the bananas here in Australia at the moment at the shop are all ripe, not quite as ripe as I needed it. So we mash that in, mash, mash, mash. Okay. Now the magnesium flakes that I'm using generally attract water to them, so that should help in this process. So we'll just pop this one. This is the yogurt, strawberry and rosemary with Himalayan pink rock salt that I made earlier. Don't forget to have a look and find this video, subscribe, and you'll be able to search for it. I used it on my hands yesterday and they've never felt so soft and supple. Okay, so we're going to pour the magnesium flakes into the bowl, and as you can see they're already attracting a bit of water. In it goes, like so. Okay. Yeah. And now, time for a little bit of, if I can get it open. There we go. Sticking to me. Okay, a little bit of essential oils. Now this is entirely up to you how many you'd like to use, but this fragrance is divine, so I'm going to load it up. Okay. Over here. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it around like so. Now for a bit of colour, I'm also, and to go with the floral essential oil, I'm going to add some rose petals. So I'm just going to throw a pinch of those in and around it goes. And look at that, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mixture, and so simple to make. Okay, so now we're going to find the model for me to use it on. Okay, so I've found a willing participant, and now we're going to use the foot rub. Now my husband has so graciously obliged, and I'm guessing it feels quite squishy, but warm. We'll get this in between the toes. We'll try not to tickle him. Around the heel. Now what you'll notice if you're using the magnesium flakes as opposed to the pink Himalayan rock salt is that the magnesium flakes will dissolve. But that's fine because they're full of magnesium, which is really good for your skin and your body, especially if you're deficient in magnesium. Now I've got my daughter Ellie here, who's also really wanting to help with all this mushy banana. What were you going to say, Ellie? Is Dad ticklish? Wow. I'll try not to be too. Now I'll just need Dad to lift his foot up just slightly from the top, and we'll get all underneath. He's doing very well, isn't he, Ellie? He's loving it. And it just looks so pretty, isn't it? Are you going to have your feet done next, Elle? Yes, wonderful. All right, now if you've finished and you've got leftovers, just put it in a resealable Ziploc or Snaplock bag. Put it in the fridge. Now it might discolor because of the banana, but you can use it again the next day. And there you go. If you want to tune in for many of our other scrubs that are coming up, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Okay, and here we have my daughter Ellie's foot, and she is bursting with laughter, so this should be interesting. But we've got our mixture that we've made, and now we're just going to pour it on. How does that feel, Elle? Does that feel yummy? Can you describe to me what it feels like?
Feels like rocks.
Rocks. What else does it feel like?
Banana.
Banana? Squishy?
Yes.
And tickly. So we just rub it all over. Get it in between the toes. You've got to keep still. Massage it all over.
Stop it. I can feel the rock salt.
Yeah, we did add a little bit of rock salt in once the magnesium all dissolved.
What's
just
magnesium?
for a little bit.
What's magnesium?
They were those little clear flakes that sound like glass when you pour them. And they're full of magnesium.
Oh, are they those things?
That's right. And they're full of magnesium, which your body needs to work
properly. Is this
properly.
rock salt?
That's right. That's pink Himalayan rock salt. Okay. So we just keep massaging.
I like this.
It's nice. I'm glad you like it.
Can you do it again and do that? Like do it for 80 minutes?
80 minutes. Oh, I don't know if I can do it for that long.
Why?
Because I think I might run out.
We might have to pick Olivia.
All right. So now that we've done that, it feels nice and soft. Yeah? Smooth? No more bits of rock, or hardly any bits of rock now?
Rock. Still rock.
Little bits of rock?
Yes.
That's okay. All right, so tune in to the next foot